Ready to unlock a world of apps, subscriptions, and digital goodies on your iPad using your vanilla gift card? First, tap on the Settings app on your iPad's home screen. Then select your Apple ID banner at the very top. Next, tap Payment and Shipping in the options available. You might be asked to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. See that Add Payment Method option, tap it, and it will reveal available payment methods you can add to your Apple ID. Select Credit, Debit Card. Think of your vanilla gift card as just that, a prepaid debit card. Now, carefully enter the vanilla gift card's information. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date printed on the card, and the CVV security code usually found on the back. Double-check the billing address associated with your vanilla gift card or use your current billing address. This is essential for processing the payment. Tap Done, and your vanilla gift card should now be listed as a payment method. You are now ready to start making purchases. When making a purchase from the App Store, subscribing to a service, or any digital transaction on your iPad, your vanilla gift card balance will be used. Just select it as your payment method during checkout. Enjoy!